Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Cyber Risk Engineering. We spoke about threats and the adversarial model. We've also seen how to then abstract concepts from the real world into the cyber world through the process and diagram that you see on your screens below. This week we're going to focus on going from threats to controls. So asking the really hard question, do I have a protection within my organization that can counter the adversarial threat that's about to hit me? That's what we're going to discuss this week. So we've modeled the adversaries and we've seen their capabilities. We've seen their infrastructure, and we've also asked the same question about who's sponsoring them, who's behind these threat actors that are about to hack our organization. Well, how do we go from threats to control? The answer is very simple. We look at controls in the same way. So does your organization have within it a process or a set of people or technology to counter the threat that's coming your way? Can you quote the infrastructure? Do you know the team in question that is responsible for implementing that control? That's where we go from threats to controls. Now, in order to achieve that, we don't only look at our organization, but we look at what others are doing as well. To give you a real example, in the 1990s, very few organizations had firewalls. Today, almost all of them have firewalls. It's considered a really basic control these days. So when you're looking at your threats, in order to go to controls, you ask the same questions, but you ask them of your infrastructure, of your controls and processes that you have. So that's a really simple way to continue modeling and go from threats to controls. Thank you for watching.